Saturday, June 30, it's 5:41 in the morning, and we're in the bay here in Charlotteville, Tobago. Beautiful bay, tropic area, and we have the news for the Hurricane Beryl, or the tropical storm that is coming in. The sea right now is pretty calm, and we are on the lee side of the island. The storm is going to come from there, from up the top of the mountains. Right up there. So we do have some protection. We have a good anchorage. Yesterday I started the boat and I put it on reverse about 2500 RPM, and it's holding really good. Everything on the deck is all tied down, and it looks like it's pretty calm before the storm. Outside today and last night they have a festival for the fishermen, I guess harvest festival. So it's gonna be, it's been a party since last night. The music never stopped playing. So we're just gonna be here and listen to the music and waiting for the storm. There is a few other sailboats on the bay. There's, what's that, 2, 4, 6, 7 sailboats. There's another catamaran behind us, but I guess they left yesterday. Probably they went to, I don't know, maybe they went to a mooring right across there. So we'll see. We're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen.